Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. In today's video, we're diving into something super useful for Sanyo TV owners, universal remote codes and how to program them. If you've been struggling to get your universal remote working with your Sanyo TV, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to program your remote like a pro. Part 1. Finding universal remote codes. First things first, let's find the correct universal remote codes for your Sanyo TV. There are a few ways to do this. Using the remote code list, many universal remote manufacturers provide a list of codes for different TV brands. We'll show you how to locate Sanyo TV on these lists and select the right code. Auto search method. Some remotes have an auto search feature where they scan through all possible codes until they find the correct one. We'll demonstrate how to use this method effectively. Online resources. There are websites and apps dedicated to universal remote codes. We'll guide you on how to use these resources to quickly find the code you need. Part 2. Programming your remote. Programming your universal remote doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps to get your Sanyo TV connected. Manual programming will show you how to manually input the code into your remote step by step. Code entry on different remotes. Different remotes have different methods for entering codes. We'll cover the most common types and make sure you're covered. Conclusion. And there you have it. Programming your Sanyo TV with a universal remote is easier than you think, especially when you know the right steps. No more hassle, just easy setup and convenience at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions or want to see more videos like this? Drop us a comment down below. Thanks for watching.